I'm going to show you how I installed this mirror and how I wired it up and added an electrical outlet behind it. Let's get started. So I'm going to be installing this recessed outlet. I got a deep box, sheetrock box, so I'm going to put it somewhere in the middle. And I'm going to try to pull power from this outlet. Should be power going from that one to that one, so I should have some wire in the middle, which I should be able to tap into, hopefully. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do one outlet above the left sink. So what I'm having here is a 55-inch wide one mirror. If I don't like this in the future, I don't want to put the outlet in the middle. So if I buy two separate light up mirrors, then I could just always add another outlet over there. That way the wire's long enough to reach it there. So basically took the wire from here, put it there, and then from there pulled it to that one. So I'm going to find the center, and then from the center I will measure distance to these, and I'm going to put the anchors in. I got the center on the mirror on the back. I'll just measure to that point, and then did a center here, and the same thing, I'll just measure from that point to that point, and that's how I'll know where to put the anchor in. So defogger. Also, if you hold this, it works as a dimmer, and then this changes the colors.